Sleeps too hard. Let's swim out tonight, love. It's our turn to try. Parked beside the ocean on a moonlight drive. Moonlight drive. Huh? Do it again. Do it again. Which one? Which one would you like? I've dwelled in the loose palace of exile, playing strange games with the girls from the island. But now I come again to the land of the fair, the strong, and the wise. Brothers and sisters of the pale forest,